Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Let me ask you a question. How many times a day do you reheat your coffee? Once, twice, 3 times? Well, guess what? You don't have to do that anymore because this Swig Life travel mug is gonna keep your coffee warm for you, or whatever beverage you may prefer. So I absolutely love this travel mug. I like the handle, it adds to the comfortability factor, and this particular style is the golf tee one. I also like the texture of this, but obviously it's supposed to look like a golf ball, which my husband thinks is cool. The lid has a rubber lip around it to seal it, and the seal's fantastic. In fact, you can't get this lid off unless you open the top to break the suction seal. Another feature about this travel mug that I love, that I really haven't seen on any other travel mug, at least the ones that I've purchased, is there's a rubber grip on the bottom, so when this is sitting on a surface, it's not going to slide. So do yourself a favor, stop reheating your beverage or adding ice to your cool drink and pick up this Swig travel mug. But that's just my point of view.